Over the past year, under the guidance of the two heads of state, the San Francisco vision has been gradually turned into reality. The youth of our two countries have moved forward hand in hand and made their unique contributions to stabilizing and improving bilateral relations. Our youth have actively reached out to each other and striven to be pioneers in developing a right perception toward one another. We hope to establish a new vision for China-US relations. The current stabilizing momentum has not come easily, and both sides need to work in the same direction for a stable relationship in the future. And at the new historical starting point, we hope the US side will make the right choice, maintain dialogue, expand cooperation, and manage differences so as to move China-US relations forward along the track of stable, sound, and sustainable development. I encourage our young friends to view each other's development with a more open and inclusive mind, deepen exchanges and cooperation in a more innovative way, and jointly address new challenges like AI and climate change so as to help find a right way for China and the United States to get along in this new era. I invite more young Americans to be part of the 50,000 in 5 years initiative, enhance people-to-people exchanges, and carry forward the goodwill between our two peoples.